गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 9। आज मैं तुम लोगों के लिए जो वीडियो लेके आया हूं वो है नोट्स ऑफ फिजिक्स 5। तो चलो पेन और कॉपी लेके तैयार हो जाओ और मेरे साथ लिखना शुरू करो। कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्पीड, measuring the rate of motion. The rate of motion of a body is usually measured by finding the distance traveled by the body in unit time. For example, a body travels 20 meters in 1 second, then quantity of 20 meter in 1 second is referred to as the speed of the body. Speed of a body is defined as the distance traveled by the body in unit time. That is, speed is equal to distance traveled upon time, or V is equal to S upon T, where V is equal to speed, S is equal to distance and T is equal to time. SI unit of speed is meter per second. It is written as meter upon S or meter S to the power minus 1. Other unit are centimeter per second or kilometer per hour. Important features of speed. First, speed of a body is a scalar quantity. It has magnitude only. Number two, speed of a body gives us no idea about the direction of motion of the body. Number three, the speed can be 0 or positive. It can never be negative. Classification of speed. We can classify the speed as given below. Number 1, uniform speed or constant speed. Number 2, non-uniform speed or variable speed. Uniform speed. When a body travels equal distance in equal intervals of time, the speed of a body is said to be uniform. Non-uniform speed. When a body covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time, the speed of the body is said to be non-uniform motion. Average speed. In most of the cases, bodies move with variable speed or non-uniform speed. Therefore, we describe the rate of motion, that is speed, of such bodies in terms of their average speed. Average speed, the ratio of total distance and total time, is called average speed. That is, average speed is equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. SI unit of average speed is meter per second. That is unit of speed. Velocity. The velocity of a body is defined as the distance traveled by a moving body in a particular direction in unit time. or velocity can be defined as the rate of change of displacement. Thus, velocity is equal to distance traveled in given direction upon time taken, or velocity is equal to displacement upon time, that is v is equal to s upon t, where v is equal to velocity, t is equal to time, s is equal to distance. The unit of velocity is the same as that of speed, that is meter per second, SI unit, and other units are centimeter per second and kilometer per hour. Important features of velocity. Number 1, velocity is a vector quantity. Number 2, velocity gives us idea of quantity as well as direction of moving body. Classification of velocity. Number 1, uniform velocity or constant velocity. When a body is moving along a straight line, covering equal distance in equal interval of time, the velocity of the body is said to be uniform or constant. Number 2, non-uniform velocity or variable velocity. When it covers unequal distance in a particular direction in equal interval of time, or the direction of motion of the body changes even when it covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Ways to change the velocity. The velocity of a body can be changed in any of the following 3 ways. Number 1, by changing the speed of the body. Number 2, by changing the direction of motion of the body. Number 3, by changing both the speed and the direction of motion. Average velocity. When velocity of a body is changing at a uniform rate over a period of time, then average velocity of the body for this period is arithmetic mean of initial and final velocity of the body. That is, average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. That is, VAV is equal to U plus V upon 2, where U is equal to initial velocity, V is equal to final velocity, VAV is equal to average velocity. तो ये था तुम्हारा मोशन का स्पीड और वेलोसिटी के बारे में पूरा का पूरा नोट्स। अब अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड ऑन स्पीड, वेलोसिटी और एक्सेलरेशन। ठीक है, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, फिर मिलेंगे नए वीडियो के साथ। ओके, बाय।